Okay, so here is my hair all parted. If it helps, I start off parting my hair down the middle, and then I do one section, 2, 3, 4, and then I go in and do these lines and then those down. That is easier for me to part down that way, or to get straight parts, as straight as it can get. This works for me, and I'm doing knotless. I did rubber bands last time, but I had a little bit of tension stress on my hair, and little bumps was on like the nape of my neck. So this time I just braided it. I braided my hair, and I'm gonna crochet the braid hair through here to sort of, it'll be like my anchor. So this will act as like a rubber band would act, but it shouldn't hurt it should be easier on my scalp and my nape, like the tender areas and stuff. So that's what I did. So something that I forgot to mention is once I part my sections with the rat tail comb, I'll take some edge control and apply it to the base of the part, and I'll brush or comb, whichever one you have, the base towards the middle of that section I parted, and then start to braid my hair down 2 to 3 inches. Once I have that section braided, I'll put a small pump of setting lotion on the remainder of my hair that isn't braided to make it easier to blend into the braiding hair.
Let's just do what you want to. Please don't be polite, cause I like your attitude. Let's forget about a curfew, cause all that is stuck in my head.